Afternoon YouTube. It's Tuesday the 10th of July. Finally, the weather has dropped a little bit. Which, well, it didn't happen until 3:30 this morning, but got a little bit more sleep. But it's that time of day we can have a look at the charts and see what's cracking. So this morning's morning price action snapshot. Price, looking at the daily, with a lower close. And price had broken through sort of the no man's land zone. So sort of, we were yesterday ranging right in the middle of this overall price zone. So has made a break to the downside, pushing down and testing 46. Said if this breaks, then there's a retest of 44 cents on the cards. Looking down at the 4 hour, as you can see, we had this bit of structure, and this is what I was referring to. So if this broke, good chance we could see a push to retest these lower areas of structure. And price has, look at that, popped pretty much down to 44. Again, a lower close, lower low, lower close. As I was mentioning yesterday, the EMAs have sort of crossed over. So interesting from a sort of bearish point of view, because now we're back down at the bottom of this overall zone. So we broke the 4 hour trend line, and again, I just feel that this is just the start of further movement down. What we're doing on the 1 hour is prices sort of below the 14 EMA, we're pulling back up. So again, looking at structure, if price can't break above this sort of 45,200 level, which we look left, again, we've got this structure. We'll just get rid of no man's land. Ta-da. Again, it's this structure. So it's this whole breaking support then becoming resistance, and then moving down. So I feel, just looking at what we're seeing, that price is going to respect this level now and start to make a move back down to test the 42,700 level. On the daily, let's just have a quick look at the daily chart. If you're looking at the daily candles, look at this. It's that's engulfing the wicks of the last 4 days basically. And again, if we see a daily close, certainly I would feel a daily close below this wick here, just because, well, even there really, I think you could be saying we're forming a double bottom, which is, for anyone that doesn't know what a double bottom is, where price pulls back up, pushes back down, and then respects the closes, not the spike, it respects the closes of the previous structure. So again, if two things could happen for me. If we see price close below this blue zone, which effectively is below this wick here, or even this wick, but this wick here, for me, I feel that the price would push lower down to the 42,200, then possibly lower. If price closes above these closes here, we could then see it range back up to the top of this overall zone, or at least back to the 47 cents, which might coincide then with the 14 EMA at that point. It's starting to move down, which I've been sort of thinking was on the cards, just because how the structure sort of played out. So for me, we may pull back up into this 14 EMA, which again, if we respect this zone, just pull these up, price might pull back up. If we can't break this zone, then I feel we're just going down further. And if 42,200 goes, then that could be a signal that we've consolidated. This is the break now to the lows that obviously people probably won't be happy with, but it's just what the price action's telling us. So from a price action point of view, that's really all I've got to share today. We'll see how this daily candle closes, and we'll take a look at that tomorrow. Would like to give a shout out to Crypto SB. He has been in contact with me recently, and some interesting things are happening in the background at the moment. So But appreciate him reaching out, and it's going to be interesting to see the next few months what happens and where things go, especially from a price action point of view, but also from a content point of view as well. So we'll see how that develops. This Thursday, DM Logic, if he reaches 5,000 subscribers, he'll be doing a 100 XRP giveaway. So if you haven't already subscribed to DM Logic, check out his channel. Very straight talking. I think some people just don't enjoy the fact that he's being so grounded and just talking common sense, really, or logically, you know. I think a lot more people could take some advice from his videos and maybe incorporate into some things they do. But again, during his live stream, we had some interesting conversations, and he's just generally a good bloke. So support him, and we'll see what happens with that 100 XRP. That'd be nice. Make sure I'm there. I think it's 7:30. If you're in the UK, it's about 7:30. I know he's at 5:30 Pacific time, I think. But anyway, check out his channel, check out his most recent video. All the information you need is there. In the meantime, we'll come back tomorrow morning and check what price action does. If you enjoyed the content, please like, subscribe, share. Again, hopefully today we've just looked at the potential zones, and again, from this morning, price has sort of gone where I felt it was going to if we saw that close, which we did. I'll leave it there because I'm just waffling, but a lot of work to do this evening. So for the time being, I'll catch up with you tomorrow, and enjoy your night.